Can pop-up matcha drink stands sell matcha cookies? Yes, pop-up matcha drink stands can sell matcha cookies if local food rules, permits, labeling requirements, and safe handling standards allow it. A matcha cookie is usually made by mixing finely ground green tea powder in the cookie dough, so the cookie has a grassy flavor and a green color. Before selling any cookies, check whether your city allows temporary food vendors to sell baked goods, because some places require a temporary food permit or a licensed commercial kitchen. You may be allowed to bake in an approved kitchen, but not in a regular home kitchen. Matcha can taste bitter when too much is used, so start with a small amount and balance it with sugar, white chocolate, vanilla, or citrus. It is also wise to offer a clear ingredient label that lists wheat, eggs, milk, soy, and any nuts. A less obvious detail is that matcha contains caffeine, and some customers may not expect a cookie to contain it, so consider mentioning that on the menu. Keep cookies protected from dust, insects, moisture, and handling by using sealed containers or individual packaging. For a simple test, make a small batch, ask customers about sweetness and texture, then adjust the recipe before producing more. A common mistake is assuming that selling baked goods is automatically allowed because the stand already has permission to sell drinks, so confirm that your permit covers packaged or ready-to-eat food. Another mistake is using low-quality matcha, which can make cookies taste harsh and look dull, so choose culinary-grade matcha from a reliable supplier and store it sealed away from heat and light. Some sellers also forget that cookies can become soft near cold drinks or melting ice, so keep them in dry, airtight packaging and display allergen information clearly. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.